Hi, my name is Pricelia Primareta with the last digit of my study number is 151. And today I would like to talk about my Rogerian argument essay. Before I start, I would like to tell you what is Rogerian argument. So Rogerian argument is a form of argumentative reasoning that aims to establish a middle ground between parties with opposing viewpoints or goals. Rogerian argument is also called the common ground argument because this method requires you to identify the ideas, beliefs, and arguments you and your audience share in common. While a traditional argument relies on proving a position and disproving the counter argument, Rogerian style of argument emphasizes compromise between two sides on an issue. Next, I will present to you my Rogerian essay with the title Why Smoking Has to Be Banned. So there are 4 points you have to write in your essay if you want to make a Rogerian argument. The first point is the introduction section. In this section, you should introduce the problem and show why you and your intended audience are affected by the problem. Begin with describing the problem at hand. Unlike a traditional argument, you are not allowed to criticize the opposing viewpoint. Instead, you must give background on the problem without bias. So in here, I wrote, smoking is an activity that many people usually do in everyday life, mostly by men. Not only men, but there are some women who do it too. Based on the website rsgm.maranatha.edu, smoking is a habit of smoking cigarettes and is an unavoidable need for people who have a tendency to smoking. Cigarettes themselves contain tobacco that is rolled using paper. In addition, cigarettes are an addictive substance, meaning that it can cause dependence for the wearer. Besides for their needs, subconsciously, they damage their health. Actually, they know that smoking can damage their health, but they can do anything. Once again, it is because unavoidable. The next point is the opposition position. And this point is showing that you understand your opposition's viewpoints or goals. And in this point, you have to describe the opposition's point of view fairly and accurately. And you are not allowed to criticize the opposition point of view. That's why I wrote, however, it must be admitted that smoking for some people is a necessity in itself. Most smokers say that if they leave cigarettes for just a day, they will feel uncomfortable, as we can see. Just one day, only one day, they will feel like that. How about if smoking has to be banned? Many people might be crazy. They become like this not because they want to join the trend. No smoking is not cool. But based on the website p2ptm.comcast.co.id, it because when a person is addicted to cigarettes, the nicotine contained in tobacco stimulates the brain to release a substance that gives a feeling of comfort or dopamine. The third point you have to write is the writer point of view. In this section, it's your chance to describe your point of view. So for this section, I wrote, that's why we have to start moving on from smoking, not instantly, but slowly. If smoking continues to be a habit, it will actually damage their own health. From the website www.aludoctor.com, chemicals in cigarettes have the potential to damage lung cells, which can then turn into cancer cells. In addition, smoking can also cause various diseases of the lungs, such as bronchitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, and emphysema. And the fourth point is compromise. In here, you have to explain how the two sides, I mean yours and the opposition, can reach middle ground by compromising your position or explain how it would benefit the opposition to move at least in part toward your position. In here, I would people can start with a small action to stop smoking. Based on the site www.clickdoctor.com, chewing gum or mints can keep your mouth busy or serve as a distraction when you want to smoke. Actually, chewing gum only eliminates the comfortable feeling that appears in the mouth when you get used to smoking. But that's okay. Like I said before, start with small action. So from this essay, we can conclude that smoking is an unavoidable need for some people who have a tendency to smoking. However, by start small action, for example, chewing gum, people will have the potential to slowly escape from smoking activities. That's all that I can show you. Thank you.